Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp to a new phone without the old phone. Alright, let's begin. First, install WhatsApp and open it. Tap Agree and Continue, then enter your phone number. WhatsApp will ask if the number is correct, tap Yes. You will receive a verification code on that number. If your SIM is on the same device, WhatsApp will automatically verify it. Next, you have two options. One is to transfer from the old phone, which we cannot do since we don't have access to it. The second option is to restore from Google Drive. If you have a backup on Google Drive, select that and follow the on-screen instructions to restore your chats. If the option is grayed out, it means there is no backup available. In that case, you can only use WhatsApp as a fresh install without old chats. So that's basically how you can transfer WhatsApp to a new phone without the old phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.